So first thing in the morning, we'll be turning on our coffee machine. Ensure that we go through the 2 stages, pass test to the on position. That'll allow the elements to start warming up the boiler. That'll take 5 to 10 minutes. Once you've got steam pressure and the heads are up to temperature, they're really hot, untouchable hot, then we're right to start making coffee. What we're about to go through now is how to program the espressoDECK. The left-hand side group is what we call the master group, and whatever you program on that side will then program the second group, and if you have one, the third group as well. So let's go through how to program. Simply hold your finger on the continuous button, that's the button on the right-hand side of the group, till the lights start flashing. Now you're in a program mode. We have to use coffee. Doesn't have to be fresh coffee, it can be stale coffee. The fresher it is, the bigger the crema. And it's harder to gauge when to stop. You can actually be using scales, measuring cup, or simply by eye. So we're now monitoring the pour, and when we're happy with the amount that's in the cup, we simply stop and push the continuous button again, and that locks that program in. Now, whatever is done there will also be on that second group. If we actually want something different on the second group, then we can individually program that after we've done the master button by, once again, holding our finger down on the continuous button of that group and programming. So now, that one is a very short program, and this one is a relatively long program.